All right, guys, today I bring you one of my favorite brands. We have the automatic high-fidelity turntable. Here's what comes in the box. This is really nice. It's a very nice turntable for old school. Well, the new school because my daughter loves vinyls. This quick start guide show you everything that brings and how to set it up. Here it shows you everything you need to know, how to set it up, what to do before you start, and how to take care of it. Let me open it real quick. Let me get up, show you what it brings. Accessory box. I'll take it off the box. Nice and tight in here. Take it off really nice and soft. Put it in this part here in the chair. Oh my God. This one off. So here, got more accessory box here. Is a turntable. This is the lid. Showing you how it comes so you see that how well it's protected when it comes out of the box. Super nice. And then we have here the turntable, which I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting for this one for a while because this is a super nice, very cool looking turntable vinyl player. This when I was little, this is what we used to listen to. Here it is. Still got plastics around. I'm gonna take it off so you can see it. It looks on top, the bottom, the side. It's a nice wood finish on the sides. Some connections in the back. And in the front is nice and modern. It looks modern. You can see here, it has four speakers. And connect this. Just take it here. Let me see the accessories real quick. So you have to do that first. See what comes here. They got a manual. The other one was a quick manual. This is a more detailed manual, how to put it together. This is a 36-month warranty and the customer service, 90-day return. There's some room with it. And it's a thank you card, warranty. And then here it is remote. Yeah, it's not like back in the day. That's the remote right there. Right, really nice plug. So you can listen to music like the old days. All this turntable players are coming back, and the cool thing with this one is it's Bluetooth, so you can actually listen to your phone music too here, or any device that you can connect via Bluetooth. You can listen here. Brings you two AAA batteries, which is nice, and then the connectors to connect the top to the bottom part of the player, the hinges. So you will take this part, the big part, and slide it into here. Slide it here. Slide this one here, and then here. I'm not gonna take the turntable. You put it here. It will have a little tab that has the rubber band on around the rubber band. You pull the tab, go around, and there's like a little device that you put the rubber band over. Make sure that it's flush, and then you turn the turntable 10 times. Then you put the dust cover on the top and the slip so it doesn't slip. I plug that in. You see the blue light right here. It has two modes, vinyl and Bluetooth. So you press it.
Vinyl.
And it says vinyl. Then you press it again.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, like that. You can listen to music from your phone or any device that you want to stream your music to here. Has a power remote. It works the same way. I just turn it off. Now it's turned on. Press it. Now it's turned on. And then here it's Bluetooth. Then you click here, mode, vinyl. I'm gonna show you this before I put sound to play. Just to put the lid, you slide the top like I showed you before, and then you just put it on the holes on the back. Make sure that they fit tight, and now you have them all nice and tight in the back. Now your record player is Now your record player is protected and it looks nice. So let me get a vinyl so you can play it, so you can hear. Let me get a vinyl so you can hear it playing. And let me connect it to the Bluetooth. I imagine it's the same way you connect anything to Bluetooth. You just hit that button. Once you said Bluetooth, it will show up Bluetooth on your phone. Let me see if it shows up here real quick. Yep. 1byone ATO2. This is this one right here. Let me see if we can connect. It's connected. You heard it. And then you can just start playing music from your phone. I'm gonna play it real quick, fast, so you can hear it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty loud. Baby, tú y yo no tuvimos timing. Yep, it's super loud. It sounds really crisp. So let me get a vinyl real quick so you can hear it real fast. You can see here, I just have a vinyl that my daughter sent me. It's not mine, I promise. And I have it here. So you can do it by pressing start here. Let's start, it will start. I'm not gonna let it play for a lot because then I won't be able to post the video. But injustice anywhere is a threat to super loud. Here is super loud. Then you can skip songs. Just hit the button, and it will skip to the next one. I'm hitting the right one, the wrong one. Yeah, I'm hitting the bad one. You can skip songs by hitting the remote. One, another one. Oh, it works nicely. You could do it here in the remote, or you could do it here on the player. It's another one. It has volume up and down, or needle up and down. You can do that. And then volume here. And then you can, like I said, with this dial right here, skip songs too. The speed is 33 and 45. If you do 45, it will sound like chipmunks. And then you can pick 12 inches or 7 inches vinyl. You can put it as repeat, so it will repeat the song. So if you're looking for a vinyl player, it's a Bluetooth that looks modern and it'll have that old school finish in the back. You can connect speakers to it too on the back. It has audio jacks in the back. It looks nice and modern. This is the one. So I hope this video helped. Go check them out and thank you for watching.